Hi everyone, I'm Jackie. I'm from LAMPRO, and I'm now in the 2026 InfoComm and trade show. And this is our number for the booth. You can check here. And today I want to introduce our new technology panel product. This is our RNII1.9 MIP, and this panel can get a really high parameters. Like this, the brightness can go up to 1,200 nits, and the contrast ratio can go up to the 150,000 to 1, and that's a really high level. And also the power consumption, due to the MIP new technology, it can get really high lower power consumption, and for just maximum power consumption can only down to the 100 voltage for each panel. And the panel size is the 500 by 500 millimeters. And I want to say that one more important thing is that this kind of the product, MIP rental, the whole LED area, also only the LAMPRO can do this for the rental and MIP 1.9, and that's all. And